In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add variables in Grafana. By the end, you'll know how to make your dashboards dynamic so viewers can filter and explore data without editing panels. First, open Grafana in your browser and sign in to your workspace. From the left-hand sidebar, look for the Dashboard section and open it. Find and open the dashboard you want to work with. I'll use a dashboard called Alert Groups Insights for this example, but you can pick any dashboard you have access to. If the dashboard is read only, make it editable. You'll usually see a Make Editable button or a similar prompt at the top. Click that so you can change settings. Once it's editable, open the dashboard settings. You can do that from the gear icon or a settings button depending on your Grafana version. Inside settings, go to the variables section. This is where all dashboard level variables live. Click new variable to create one. Variables let you reuse values across panels and add drop-down filters at the top of your dashboard. So setting them up well is worth it. Choose a variable type. Query variables are the most common and populate their values from your data source, like Prometheus or a SQL database. Other types include constant for a fixed value, custom for a comma-separated list, text box for free input, and interval for time buckets. Pick the type that matches how you want the variable to behave. Give your variable a clear name. The name is what you'll reference in queries, so keep it short and descriptive. For example, environment or service. You can also add a friendly label if you want the display name to be more readable. If you're creating a query variable, select the correct data source next. This ensures Grafana runs the variable's query against the right backend. For example, pick your Prometheus data source for metric labels or your SQL source to pull distinct values from a table. Set the refresh behavior to on dashboard load. This tells Grafana to update the variable's values every time the dashboard opens, which is especially helpful when your underlying data changes frequently. When you're done, save the dashboard. Saving applies the variable and publishes it to viewers. Back on the dashboard, you'll see the new variable at the top as a dropdown. Select a value, and your panels will refresh to reflect that selection. That's it. You've added a variable to a Grafana dashboard, chosen its type, named it clearly, tied it to the right data source, set it to refresh on load, and saved your changes. This simple setup makes your dashboards far more interactive and easier to reuse across teams